Here we've got CAT S42, and let me show you how to change a PIN to your SIM card on this device. So first of all, you need to unroll the list of all apps and enter the settings. Here scroll down, find and select security, and here go a bit lower. Now tap on the SIM card lock right here, and as you can see, let me just pick the card that I've got included, and then just click on change SIM PIN. And at first you need to provide your current PIN code, so in my case it's 1234, tap on OK then, and then enter a new one. Tap on OK, it's time to re-enter this new one, just to confirm, and tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed. So this is it, that will be all, so you can smoothly and easily change SIM card PIN. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.